Question number 11. Match list 1 with list 2. Maximum value fx is equal to minus x minus 1 mod plus 3. And minimum value of fx equal to 2x minus 1 square plus 5. Maximum values of fx equal to 6 minus x square. And maximum value of fx equal to x raised to power 3 plus 1 is A. Maximum value of fx is equal to minus x minus 1 mod plus 3 is 3 as x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1. And B. Minimum value. Minimum value of fx is equal to 2x minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 5 is 5 as x is equal to 1 upon 2. This will be 0 and A is 3, that is fourth option, and B is 5, that is B, second option. A is fourth, B is second option, and C, maximum value of fx is equal to x square minus 6. C, that is maximum value 6 minus x square is 6 as x is equal to 0. That is first. And maximum value of fx equal to x cube plus 1, no minimum value. D is 3. So option A is fourth, B is second, C is 1, and D is third. So option 1 is correct answer. Option 1. Question number 12. Given the mean numbers of heads in 2 tosses of a coin, possible outcomes. Is equal to head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. No head, that is tail tail, equal to 1. One head, that is head tail or tail head. 2 and 2 head, that is head head, equal to 1. xi pi 0 1 2, that is 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4. And xi pi is equal to 0 into 1 upon 4 plus 1 into 2 upon 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 4. 0 plus 1 upon 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. It's option number third. Option third is correct answer. Possible outcomes: head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. No head, that is 1. One head, head, tail, tail, head, that is 2. And 2 head, that is head, head, one time. Then mean pi xi. Xi pi, that is 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 2 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 4. 0 multiplied by 1 by 4 is 0. 1 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 by 2. Half plus half, that is equal to 1. Option C is correct answer. Question number 13. If given fx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x, where x is greater than 1, minus x is less than minus 1, we are multiplying negative sign, then equality will be less than, and 1 minus x is less than minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus x is less than 0. So fx is decreasing. That is option A. Option 1 is correct answer. Given fx is 1 upon 1 minus x, where x is greater than 1, we are multiplying negative sign. X minus x greater than will be negative minus 1. And in denominator 1 minus x, we are adding both sides 1. Then this will be 1 minus x in denominator is less than minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. If denominator is less than 0, then function is decreasing. Option A is correct answer. Question number 14. In a meeting, 70% of members favor and 30% oppose a certain proposal. A member is selected at random and we take x equal to 0 if he opposed and x is equal to 1 if he is in favor. Then expected value of x is. Members favor is equal to 70%, and members oppose 30%. A member is selected. Take x is equal to 0. A member is selected at random. B take x is equal to 0. And pi, that is 70 upon 30%. 70%. Expected value of x is equal to 0 into 30 upon 100 plus 1 into 70 upon 100. This will be 0. Expected value of x is equal to 70 upon 100, that is equal to 7 upon 10. Answer option A. First option is correct answer. Question number 15. The solution of ALPP with basic feasible solution 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 20, 10, 15 and the objective function maximum z. Max z is equal to 2x plus 3y at 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 20, 10 and 15. Maximize z is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0, that is equal to 0 at 0, 0. And max z is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3 into 0, that is equal to 20 at point 10, 0. And max z is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 20, that is 60 at point 0 and 20. And max z is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3 into 15, that is 20 plus 45, 65 at x is equal to 10 and 15. Its maximum value. So maximize z is equal to 65 at point 10 and 15. That is in option 2. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 15, max z is equal to 65. Option 2 is correct answer. Thank you so much.